So now we got what is dynamic array. So what is a dynamic array? So if I am not mentioning any particular size to the array, so that is called the dynamic array. So what is a dynamic array? So specifically I am not mentioning so any size to the array. So that is called the dynamic array. So just now I shown one example also to you. So that is called the dynamic array. So 1 minute. So next, so what is the next point? Means, so the second point is, so it will maintain. So it will maintain. So order of elements. So it will maintain the order of the elements. So what is the next point? So it will maintain so order of elements. So same for linked list also. So it will maintain so order of elements. So it will maintain the order of elements. So what is the order of the elements? So now I will show you. So once open the Eclipse. So once if you open the Eclipse, so step by step you will see na. So easily you can understand. So once the collections topic is completed now, so 65 to 70% of our syllabus is completed. Okay. So OOPS concepts the weightage up to 50%. So remaining almost all the weightage will take by the collection framework only. So most important topic for interview room, so collection framework. So what are the questions chance to ask in the collection framework means? So what is the difference between the list and set? So what is the difference between the array list and linked list? So why particularly we are using the array list? So why particularly we are using the linked list? So like this questions they may rise in the interview room. So now, so what is the syntax I told? So just for example, first we will go with the vector. So for vector, so I am mentioning here integer. So I am giving v equals to new vector. So here also I have to mention integer. So whenever we are using the collections concept, so what I told, so definitely we have to import so java dot so util package. So which package you want to import? So java dot util package. So now vector is a inbuilt class. Okay. So inside the vector we are having one method called add method. So what is the use of the add method? So we can add the elements. So now for example here I am adding the elements. So here I am adding the elements Lokesh. So next I am giving so e dot sum. So why here the error is coming means, see the example. So here what is the data type I mentioned? Integer. But here I am mentioning the which values? So string values. So if you mention your data type as an integer and if you mention here as a string values now, so it will not accept. So instead of integer, if you give here string, so it will accept. So So now after entering the string, so now if you enter integer, so it will not accept. So the method add int comma string type vector is not applicable. So once what is the data type or what is the class we mentioned here, so only that particular class only, so we have to represent only that particular class only, so we have to represent. So now I am giving system.out.println. So now I am executing. So now what is the output came? So Lokesh, Lakshmikant and Sai. So the three names it is displayed. So in which order it displayed? So what is the point I told? So it maintains the order of the elements. So which order it will maintain means, so it will maintain the insertion order. So it will maintain the which order? So insertion order. So insertion order means what? So in which way I inserted. So in the same order it is going to display. So that order is called the insertion order. So insertion order means what? So first I inserted the Lokesh. So next I inserted Lakshmikant. Next I inserted Sai. So now how we can consider this is a dynamic array? So first I mentioned 3. So after printing, so now again I am adding. So now again I am printing B. C. So first Lokesh Lakshmikant Sai printed. So sorry. So here instead of system.out.println, so I have to use the add. So by mistake I added. So now the output will print. See, so first only 3 elements. So 3 elements it is printed. So after that, so dynamically I am entering. So now everything combinedly. So whenever I am running the second time, so everything combinedly it will execute, and in the same way, so it is maintaining the order of the elements. So which order it is maintaining? So insertion order it is maintaining. So what is the first point? So first point is the dynamic array. So what is the second point? So it is maintaining the insertion order of the elements. So what is the first point? So dynamic array. So dynamic array means what? So wherever you want to add, so we can add. So what is the second point? So insertion order is the second point. So it will maintain the order of the elements. So which order it will maintain? So insertion order it will maintain. So what is the third point? So third point is, so duplicates are allowed. So duplicates are allowed. So duplicates are allowed. So what is the third point? So duplicates are allowed. So duplicates means what? So one time you add the element, same element if you add again and again, so that is called the duplicate. So now here I am adding the duplicates. So these two names, so again repeatedly I am adding.